Hello and welcome to the Mathematics Kicker. Today we'll be focusing on the inequalities. Previously we learned how to solve for x in a linear form. We learned how to solve for x in a quadratic form. Then today we are going to solve for x in a relation to greater than, less than, or greater than equaling to, or less than equaling to, which are the inequalities. Then to familiarize yourself with the inequalities, you have to know these types of things. You have to know about the less than, greater than, you have to know the open brackets, and then what? And then this thing is, which means is included. The value is what is excluded, sorry. The value is excluded, is exclusive. And we have to familiarize ourselves with the less than equaling to, greater than equaling to, and the square brackets. And then what? And the shaded part. It means that the value is included, is inclusive, right? And you have to understand the number line, which is the set of real numbers, right? You have to understand the number line, right? You have to familiarize yourself with this type of things, right? In order to understand the inequalities. Then let's make a link between these. Let's make a link between these. Then now, to make a link, let's take, for example, we have x is the element of what? Of 2:7. Let's have something of this nature. What does this thing mean? It means that the x lies between 2 and 7. It means that x is between 2 and 7. X is not equal to 2, x is not equal to 7, but the x is between 2 and 7. How do we express this thing using these signs? Right, how do we write it? We'll say that the x is between 2 and 7. It means the x is greater than 2, but the x is less than what? 7. It means we'll say 2 is less than x. X is less than 7, right? That's how we express it. Let's say we have x is the element of how much? Of the square brackets of what? Of 2 is to a square brackets of 7. Right, we'll express it by saying that the x is between 2 and 7, but x is equal to 2, x is equal to 7 because of the square brackets. The square brackets means what? Is equaling to, right? We have equal sign there. The x is equal to 2 and x equal to 7. It means the 2 is included in the interval. 7 is included in the interval. Then how do we express this? We normally know that the 2 is less than 1 is less than equaling to x, because that 2 is equaling to is also equaling to x. Then the x is less than equaling to how much? 7. That's how we write it in terms of the interval. Right. We'll do more. We link them with this exclusive and inclusive in terms of a number line. We'll do more.